Well, everyone, you might be in a situation where you're trying to go ahead and make a live sticker on your iPhone. Now, doing this is actually very basic and it really does not take too much time at all. Now, live stickers are something that are very basic. In order for you to do this, you have to have a live photo. So start off by going through your iPhone photos and try to find a live photo. So once you have a live photo, what you're then going to want to do is you want to go ahead and basically hold down on the subject of that photo. So don't hold down around it because that's going to trigger the live action. What you want to do is you want to hold down on that photo like this. When you do that, you'll get a little option that comes up at the very bottom that says like add sticker. So right there we have a little add sticker option. All you're going to have to do here is tap on add sticker, and then you can add the sticker right over there. Now you can kind of change and adjust this whichever way you want to. There's also this little add effect option if you want to. You can click on add effect. You can also outline it. You can change it again whichever way you want to. So there's a couple different ways. If you want a little animation to it, you can go and make it this way. If you want to make it puffy, you can also make it puffy. So you can kind of adjust it and change it. There's a lot of different things you can kind of do here. So adjust it, change it whichever way you want to, and then you can add in that sticker, and that's basically all you're going to have to do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.